How to replace a human touch Circa right side board. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, needle-nosed pliers, 4mm and 5mm Allen wrenches, wire cutter, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, remove the head pillow from the chair. Disconnect the chair's power cable from the power supply cable. Now, tip the chair onto its left-hand side. Using the palm of your hand, strike the top of each of the chair feet until the chair base detaches from the mounting post, then remove the chair base. Next, use a needle-nosed pliers to remove the clip that secures the footrest actuator hinge pin, then remove the pin. Remove the white washers, then push the footrest out of the way. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the black plastic panel, concealing the actuators, then remove the panel. To detach the 4 control box mounting straps, you first need to clear a retaining hook. Remove all 4 straps to detach the control box assembly from the chair. You may find it helpful to use a small flathead screwdriver to guide the straps off the mounting bracket. Now, follow the cable from the right side board to the cable bundle. Cut the zip tie that secures the cable bundle, then isolate the side board cable. Disconnect the side board cable connectors, then confirm that the cable is free of the cable bundle. Next, install a new zip tie around the remaining cable bundle. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the remote and power cables to the side board. Remove the black cable guide. Next, use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the screw from the side board mounting post. Locate the clip that secures the rear of the side board to the chair, then use a needle-nosed pliers to remove the clip. You can now remove the side board from the chair. Place the side board on the floor with the mounting post facing upward, then use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the mounting bracket to the side board. Remove the mounting post. To install the new side board, first place it on the floor, with the mounting holes facing upward. Align the mounting bracket holes with the corresponding holes in the side board, then replace the 4 Allen screws to secure it. Next, align the side board mounting post and hole with the corresponding post and hole on the chair, then install the posts into the holes. Now, use a needle-nosed pliers to replace the clip that secures the rear of the sideboard to the chair. To replace the clip, insert the ends into the mounting post hole, then bend the ends of the clip to secure it. Connect the sideboard cable connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Now, add the sideboard cable to the existing cable bundle, then install a new zip tie to secure it. Cut the excess zip ties. Next, place the remote on top of the sideboard, then reinstall the black cable guide onto the strain relief section of the remote cable. Slide the white power cable guide into position, aligning the screw hole with the remote cable guide screw hole. Install the screw through both cable guide screw holes, and then into the corresponding sideboard screw hole. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, replace the Allen screw to secure the sideboard mounting post. Next, tuck the cable bundle behind the chair frame, then reinstall the control box assembly by sliding the mounting straps over the mounting posts. You may find it helpful to use a small flathead screwdriver to guide the straps over the posts. Now, slide the black plastic plate over the actuator shaft and into position, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Manually move the footrest to align the actuator mounting points, then place the pin into the bracket just far enough to hold it in place. Reinstall the washers between the actuator shaft and the mounting bracket, then push the pin all the way through the mounting point. Replace the clip to secure the pin. Next, align the arrows on the chair base with the arrows on the mounting post, then push the chair base onto the mounting post. Return the chair to the upright position, then replace the head pillow. Finally, connect the chair power cable to the power supply cable, flip the connector lock closed, and you're done.